Where have you been? These are literally all over social media right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a little spontaneous video for you today, only because I stumbled across these shoes and I just had to share it. Which shoes are we talking about? So you probably read the description. We are going to be talking about the VERSACE Medusa pumps. Okay, so if you have no idea what shoes I'm talking about, where have you been? These are literally all over social media right now. You know, the hot shoe of the moment. Not only are Versace rolling out their own shoe, Valentino's jumped on the boat as well, and we're just seeing platform, bold, colourful shoes everywhere. Okay, so if you're watching this video, I'm guessing you're like, okay, get to the point, Gigi, get to the point. I found these, guys, literally the dupes of the Versace Medusa pump. And these I found from Amazon.com. So if you live in England, like I do, you're not going to find these on Amazon.co.uk. These are on Amazon.com, but I will leave the link in the description box and you can just click it and shop. These are amazing. They're more amazing than I imagined. So I first saw these on Anna, and I later saw them on the Fashion Bug blog. So Anna, I think, originally really liked the pink, but I think they didn't have them in her size, so she ended up getting the black. I saw the black on the Fashion Bug blog, and yeah, I would say the pink and the black are the most popular at the moment. I saw these and I can't even remember how I stumbled on these, but I was like, I have to share. I'm not usually one, you know, I don't promote fast fashion on this channel. This is not at all the sort of channel for that. I'm really steering away from that now. I've never really bought dupes, ever, to be honest. I don't go out of my way to buy a dupe of something. But I know these are huge right now, and I know Versace price is currently £1,080. I know a lot of us don't have that money to spend on a platform shoe. Bold, bright colours are in right now, and for me, bold, bright colours are in every single day of the week, every single season, every single year, so I'm incredibly happy about that. These shoes were $59.95, something like that, on Amazon, so a fraction of the price, and I couldn't believe it. I really couldn't believe it, and it seems like none of my TikTok could believe it either, because it went pretty crazy on TikTok when I posted this, and well, crazy for me, for my TikTok feed anyway. I had a lot of likes on this because people just couldn't believe it. I think it's pretty much the same other than the locket that you get on the Versace one. I have to say, I'm a bit of a convert, you know. When I first saw them in I was a bit like, bit out of my comfort zone there, but they are so comfortable. They give you height, and they're really, really nice. And actually, the pink is actually quite cool. Obviously, if you're not into the pink, you can go for the black. I thought I'd share. I didn't want to leave my YouTube fam out. I thought I would share the love, spread the love. Like I said, this is a really short video. If you're interested, I do have the link in my description box. With regards to shipping, oh my gosh, this said it was going to come in like 1 to 2 months, I think. I'll write everything on the screen in case I'm exaggerating, but honestly, it said it was going to take ages to come. I couldn't believe it. I think you might have to pay a little bit more for shipping, but again, I'll put everything on the screen. I think what they did is undersell and over deliver, because thank God it did not take a month. It didn't take 3 to 5 days either, but I'm pretty sure it didn't take a month. So yeah, do give a little bit of time for shipping if you are going to purchase these. It's quite perfect for Valentine's Day coming up. They have them in red, like I said. I think they also have them in gold and blue, I think. But I think for Valentine's Day, the pink or the red or the black would be quite nice. Yeah, I can't believe I found these. I honestly don't know how I found these, but here I am sharing it with you. And if you love the platform shoe and you're like, oh my gosh, thank God there's a way of getting the platform shoe without having to fork out £1,080, or if you know anyone that loves platform shoes or loves fashion and you're like, okay, they're gonna love this, or you want to buy it as a present for someone, then I will leave all the details below. And that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. If you don't already follow me on TikTok, like I said, my TikTok family went crazy on there. Follow me on TikTok. Also on Instagram, I'm also always posting everything fashion, faith and entrepreneurship. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.